That was great to be here with all the whānau. Toko maha ngā tangata I tēnei pō. And yeah, awesome to be here with all the whānau and learning te reo Māori. I te pōnei i ako hau etahi rerenga te whakakahore. Yeah, so we learned a bit of the structures around whakakahore. It was a good refresher to be learning that again. There's a few that tripped up on, but we'll learn it, keep learning. This is awesome kaupapa for our whānau, yeah, not only for myself but for all of our whānau and just for the whakawhanaungatanga too, so it's great.